All downrigger, there you go. Just 10 feet, Roger, that's all. What's wrong? I see it, I see color. Roger, net. I don't know, hurry up. Oh, that's a sand bass?
Not too big.
No, that wasn't real big.
Not too big.
And here I was going to give up on this spot, but you guys were running around with those itty bitty fish on.
Ta-da!
Measure them.
That's a keeper.
Yeah. The orange has been doing good for you today.
18.
Yeah, 17 and a half, 18.